Hey guys, this is Beyond Extremeness. We are here today with a new episode of Beyond Extremeness, The World Deserves to Know You. Here I am today with one personality which will truly define never giving up and which will truly motivate you with all that he's done in his life. So here I introduce to you Vimal Arora. Hi Vimal and welcome to Beyond Extremeness and the segment The World Deserves to Know You. So Vimal, I've known you from a long time, right from school till today. Okay, there has been a gradual change in you with respect to football. So I think the world deserves to know what exactly has brought about this change in you and what exactly does football mean to you right now.
Okay. Thank you, Selvan, for this honor and appreciation. Basically, my journey from football started at the age of, you can say, 10 to 11. As you know, me since school days, I was not that much active into football. But when I started playing the sport, it gave me a good inspiration. And apart from that, the will to learn. Basically, I was never picked in school, because of my size and stature. But I wanted to do something, for the game, because of course you cannot describe the passion, which I have for the game. So I started my journey, and yeah, the never giving up attitude has brought me over here.
Absolutely. I still remember there was a day when Vimal was not selected and we were both in that together. And Vimal told one day I will be the captain of the team and one day, I'll have a bigger league of my own. So here we are today with Vimal having his own leagues. I mean, on a corporate level, tournaments for kids, tournaments for women. So can you describe something about the upcoming activities and the upcoming events that are coming up, lined up for your team?
Basically, Selvin, the idea incepted from the thought that, we don't have a football tournament to be played in Navi Mumbai and in Thane district. So I just came up with an ideology, like, okay, let's start a normal football tournament. And, and it turned out to be a beautiful event.
Yes.
And we had like approximately around 2,500 people for every day coming to watch the matches.
That's great.
And from that thought process, we thought, okay, let's cater to everyone's need. Why not we go and touch corporates? Of course, they work hard from Monday to Friday, so they need a weekend getaway. So we prepared a module for them, and after that, we are coming up with grassroots and youth leagues. We have women's football tournaments also lined up. So we wanted to touch everyone's heart and wanted to give everyone an experience at what it is to play on a quality infrastructure,
Right.
and to grow. And that was a simple ideology.
Right. And what about your team as well? A lot of investments being done on your team and a lot of things you've been teaching to kids and all.
Right.
So tell us something about your tie-up with NGOs, etc. that you've been doing, as a part of football and as a part of charity as well.
Basically, football is a sport, where all the talent comes from, from the streets.
Correct.
And you can say anyone can play football. That was the whole motive. So now we come up with, we had tied up with the Children of God Foundation. It's an NGO. We train the 25 kids. Okay, so we provide them jerseys, whatever is there from our sides. Okay, we have a concept called maximal training. On those aspects, we train kids. So the training methodology is basically related to all sports scientific training methods, which have been amalgamated with football. So that was the whole ideology, to train the brain. Basically, you can say game intelligence. So that's our whole ideology of our club.
Game sense basically.
Yeah, game sense basically is.
Create that game sense.
True.
Okay, that's great. So now Vimal, one last question to you. Now I know that you've been spending a lot on football,
Yeah.
not only for yourself but for everyone.
Yeah.
From each and every kid till the tournaments and all. Now, looking at the situation in India, maybe not everyone would be willing to invest, or not everyone would be preferring to send their children
Right.
for football. Now, what would be your message to each and every kid that's playing football out here, that's playing football in your team, or anyone who's associated with football throughout India?
All I just wanted to say is never give up. All I just wanted to say is never give up on your dreams. Hope is the best thing you can ever have. When I started playing football, the first question when I made it to my school team, my coach told me you will never make it to the big level. And I just defied him. I just not you, not even the God can tell me, what I want to do. I will achieve my dream. And here I am today, having my own sports management company and probably a good football league, which we can cater to the people need.
That would be certainly great. So I think a live example of not giving up, a live example of motivation, and a live example of achieving what you want to achieve if you have the real passion. Now Beyond Extremeness obviously is glad to have you on the show, and I'm sure every one of you would enjoy and learn from it. And for everyone who's watching football and everyone who wants to play football, one message from Vimal and from Beyond Extremeness would be never give up. And as a token of our appreciation, here's a card deck which we do normally in Street Magic. So I hope you would learn some magic tricks as well along with football,
sure.
and hopefully that works as well.
Selvan is there to teach me.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So just a card deck from our end.